Away in a Manger in the Bastien book. I'm only going to do it with my right hand because my stand is broken again. It is in the key of G, but your right hand won't always be in a G position. Your left hand will. So, excuse me. So your left hand, this is your one chord, or that. A 5-7 will look like a V7. So like this or like this. There is a 4 chord. You can leave it out, but you can't play another chord in its place. The 4 chord, the easiest way to do it is play your do and then move your finger up to la. That's a 4 chord. A 4 chord is written like a capital I, capital V. A 1 chord is written like an I, a capital I. Okay, so now let's switch to the right hand. It does start out in a normal G position. Remember, G does have a black key. It's right here. It's called an F sharp. So you'll have to make sure you know which ones are F sharps. We might color them in class. Okay, so remember finger numbers. Thumbs are always 1. So in your right hand, 5 is your pinky. So you're going to start on so or finger 5. I will try to say the sol fashion. We'll go slow and I'll kind of stop in different places. So here we go. So, fa, mi, re, do, do. Now you're going to swing like a scale and it's going to be a black key. Ti, la, so. Okay. Last line on the first line, you're now in a D position. You see my hand's in a D position? So you're going to play that one finger again. Second line. Up, down, same. Finger 5. Finger 3 is your black key. Down, down. Move your hand back to G position. Do, mi, so. Third line. So, fa, mi, re, do, do. Swing over. Ti, la, so. You're back in a D position. Same, but you're only there for just a little bit because you're going to, on the last line, you're going to move your hand again back to G. And you're going to play finger 4, which is fa. Fa, mi, re, do, mi. You're going to have to stretch down to play an E on your piano. Then the black key. And then you're back to do. Now, if you look at your book, the first line and the third line are the same. So that will help. Once you've got your first line learned, the third line is the same. Okay, as far as the last line and the second line, not the same. Okay, so you'll have to learn those yourself. As far as your left hand, I've marked all the chords. You can just play the chords. You do not have to play extra notes. Some of your chords will occasionally run into your right hand. And if that happens, you can sometimes just play the bottom 2 notes and take your top fingers off so that you can get them in.